A friend of mine had told me about the semiconductor world, which I never heard of as a veteran. Found it incredibly interesting. So I actually came on at the ground level as a cleanroom operator. From there, a lot of hard work and due diligence, worked my way up into the management role. And then from there, I've been managing, I think, since 2016. A lot of military members, especially those that are contemplating getting out, don't fully realize their skill set, because it's not like there's a lot of positions there in the military that utilize research and development like this particular site does here at New York Creates. So coming in at the ground floor with zero skill set in semiconductor, with military individuals in particular, already come with a long laundry list of skills that a lot of industries are hungry for. And then for the apprenticeship program here, it gives them that technical skill to kind of amplify what they're going to learn here with us. I tell folks, especially the brand new ones that come in, this place is very detailed oriented. It's incredibly technical, but it's not something that is beyond their grasp as far as being able to learn. Most companies, whether they're commercial or they're industrial, they're looking for people that are dedicated, they're eager to learn. So transition from the military, you come with that good order and discipline. Being able to follow that to the letter translates here as well. Being able to take direction, being coachable. As long as you can show growth potential, employers are hungry for it. I mean, from my perspective, when I got out and I was coming into this industry, was especially when I first walked in the door here, I was like, this is so far outside of my wheelhouse. When I usually talk to veterans that are thinking about transitioning, I lay it out for them. I usually ask what their MOS is, ask what they did. Various skill sets that are extremely applicable here. I think they lose sight of how their jobs translate from the military to the civilian world. I would say, especially folks that are transitioning out without a lot of college in their back pocket, that the apprenticeship program would help them get to that next level. It'll help a lot of those folks realize that there's a lot more opportunity out there. Right now, this particular industry, semiconductor, it's one of the most flourishing industries we've seen in a while, and we're ever expanding. In places like this, industry is just getting bigger. It's getting bigger and faster, and they're looking for more people to fill those roles.